Hundreds of civilians have been forced to flee towards the China-Burma border to escape heavy fighting in Kachin state. As deadly clashes between Burmese and Kachin troops continue, fears of a full-scale war have reportedly driven almost 2,000 Kachin refugees from their homes. Many are staying in the town of Laiza, an area controlled by the Kachin Independence Army, or KIA, just inside the Burmese border. Dozens of people arrived in the town on Tuesday, and with nowhere else to go, they were put up in the local Baptist church. Fighting between the KIA and Burmese troops broke out on the 9th of June, ending a 15-year ceasefire agreement between the two sides. The refugees are mostly local people from Lajayan, Tonhon and Nalone villages near the areas of the fighting. Many fled after government soldiers entered their villages in fear of being forced to work as porters. The Kachin Independence Organization, or KIO, is trying to arrange relocation and food for those who have fled. But with many children amongst them, helping these people continue normal life is difficult. The KIO are trying to arrange continued education for the children. And while arrangements are still being made, more people are continuing to arrive. On Monday, the KIA reportedly told its troops to prepare for full-scale war. And with the threat of continuing conflict, it may be some time before these people can return home.